Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how to check chat history in Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also make sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. So let's go ahead and get into this topic, friends. And now I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it. First of all, please open the Instagram app on your device. And then you'll need to go to the conversation section. If you would like to check the history of one particular chat. For this, you can simply go to your chats. Here you can open any of your chats. And you can swipe up or down to find the message you want to see. But what if you have either deleted such a chat already, or you can't just find it? Don't worry, this situation is fixable. You can find and check your Instagram chat history, even if that chat is a deleted one. So, how to do it? For that, friends, you will need to go to your Instagram page, and then on the top right, click on the three bars to go to Settings. Next, select your activity. Now, friends, this is where you'll need to scroll to the very bottom and select the very last item. This is Download My Information. Please go to this item and then you will be taken to a page like this. What do you need to do here? Here you will need to click on Upload Your Information. Next, select your Instagram page from which you would like to upload your chat's information. Click Next. On this page, you will need to click on the second option. Now select here from the list of all the possible upload options. Choose the post specifically. Click on Next. After that, select Download to your device. Now you will be taken to the very last page where you will have to set the time limit for which you would like to download the information. To do that, you'll need to click here. And as you can see, there are several options here for how long you could download your chat history. For example, a week, a month, 3 months, 6 months, a year, 3 years. Or if you can't remember, for example, the time you've been texting with someone, or how long the chat you want has existed, or if you've just been using Instagram for a really long time, then you can just choose for the entire time. So friends, select the time period you want and then click Save. After that, select Create File. Wait for everything to load. And now, folks, as you can see, you're gonna get a request letter like this. Which will say that you have submitted a request to have a file of your Instagram chat history on such and such a date. After some time, you will have that file ready for you. But I can't tell you exactly how long it will take Instagram to get that chat history file ready for you, because if you want to upload chats from the last month or 3 months, for example, that's less information. And if you want to upload chats for a year or 3 years, that's a lot of information, and it's going to take more time to prepare that file. And you'll have to wait a few hours or maybe a day until Instagram prepares such a file. And then you can go back again to these Instagram settings. And then you'll have an option where you can click download pause. So you'll download a file of your chat history to your phone. And you will be able to view this file on your device and read your chat history. Friends, this is the method you will be able to check your chat history in Instagram app. I really hope this video was helpful to you, that it helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments on this video, and also make sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.